There's the trike stand for the area. Basketball court not being used. So as I said earlier, this is a Monday and Thursdays market. I think Mondays it starts a little bit earlier, 3 to 4 p.m, and on a Thursday it's a bit later, but it goes through to the early evening. It's quite a long street, this street. I always get confused. Seems to go on forever. My home is about 4 or 5 streets away, so I am within walking distance of this market, but I tend to be a bit lazy. Right, I think one more junction and we're in the market. Oh, that was a big bump. Ah. I took the wrong road and looking for the market.
Looking for the market.
There, yeah. Over there? Yeah. Turn right? Okay, thank you, ma'am. There's the market straight ahead of me. I'm just going to take a little ride up towards the market without getting off my bike, just so you get a flavour of what it's like. See? All the way down the sides of the road, both sides, market stalls. Well, there's some plants. I might go to buy some plants for my garden. This is the main part of the market on the left. I'm going to park outside my friend's house in a minute and then just walk the market. Yeah, before COVID it used to be right up here. The stalls used to come right up this street, so it's about half the size that it used to be. Yeah, there's the market on the right. I'll find my friend's house now. It's right at the end of the market here. Should be an uke clothes store outside. Where's Janet? Janet? Sir, can I park there? No? Over there? Okay. She's not here, is she? Ah, she just messaged me saying, come to the market. Janet, yeah? Okay. Okay.